Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a video for you, so I decided to do another unboxing video. Since the last unboxing video, I have bought about 5 boxes. I will only be unboxing 2 in this video, or 3, depending on how long this takes to record. So, I already explained to you how the series worked in the last episode, so if you don't know how the series work, go watch the first episode. It doesn't have a part 1 on it because I didn't think I was going to make another one, but still. Okay, so the boxes I have is 2 FNAF boxes, Series 1. This glow-in-the-dark edition, or I should say black light, since although it looks like it would be glow-in-the-dark, it really isn't. It's just, it looks like those stupid gimmicky glow-in-the-dark parties that people sometimes throw. And then the series that came after that, which are the pizza simulator boxes, which I have 2 of. So to make a variety this time, to make a variety of unboxing, I will be doing one Series 1 and one Blacklight. Fun fact, these are really hard to find nowadays because they're the oldest of the series. So basically, for me to have bought this, I bought one of these online for double the price that I would get in a store. The other one I found on sale for half price at a store that had them all the way in the back. So it balances out to me paying the exact same normal price for both of them. But might I recommend buying them straight from the company itself? Was a bitch. It took forever and it cost a lot of money. I would not recommend. If you're gonna buy a box, you might as well just buy it from the store. If you really want to finish your series, buy the figure you need off of online already opened. It's not worth it if you buy like unsealed boxes for $13. Like, man, it's just way too expensive. So let's just open this one up. Hopefully I get something I don't have already. You already know which ones I already have from the last video, so I'm not gonna bother you with that one. And the one I have for the first one is, hope it's something I don't have. It's a Golden Freddy, which, according to the box, is a somewhat common one, but I don't have it, so it's pretty cool, huh? It has some creepy glowing eyes. I appreciate that. It's something new, which is nice. And the second box I will be opening is the Blacklight box. So basically, these are all the originals from the first series, except in a different color. And they removed the crying child, and they have 2 cupcakes for some reason. I think they didn't want to do a glow-in-the-dark crying child because they thought a murdered child probably isn't the most appropriate thing to put into the new series, which is unfortunate because I find them extremely cute. That sounds wrong. Anyway, time to unbox this bad boy. Let's see. Opening. And we got a glow-in-the-dark Freddy. I meant a Blacklight Freddy. It is the pink one. Yeah, it's the pink one. It's the original Freddy. The blue one that's next to it is actually Toy Freddy, and the one next to that is a Golden Freddy, which technically, ironically enough, is just the normal coloring for Golden Freddy. If it was back in the 1983 version that we see in the games, because in that version it has a purple hat instead of a black one, which is an interesting fact I noticed. So yeah, I got these 2, and being that we're already near the 10-minute mark, I mean the 5-minute mark I normally end videos at, I think I'll just cut it off now. I'm glad I got something different than the last time where I got a shitty one and a repeat. So I'm glad I got like 2 different ones. Well, I expected a different one from this one because this is the only box I could get from that series because they sold out so damn quick at GameStop, and they didn't even bother selling them at like Hot Topic. So like, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Well, it's nice talking to you. See you in the next video.